Dreamcoding dark mode, Python errors and files. Age underscore text equals input, open parenthesis, double quote. Age colon trailing space, double quote, close parenthesis. Age equals int, open parenthesis, age underscore text, close parenthesis. Try colon new line age equals int, open parenthesis, age underscore text, close parenthesis, new line, except value error, colon new line age equals 0. Try colon new line result equals 10 slash count new line, except 0 division. Error, colon new line result equals none. Try colon new line config equals settings, open bracket, double quote theme, double quote, close bracket, new line, except here, colon new line config equals double quote, dark double quote. Try colon new line value equals numbers, open bracket 3, close bracket, new line, except index error, colon new line value equals none. Try colon new line risky, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, new line, except exception is error, colon new line, print, open parenthesis error, close parenthesis. Try colon new line data equals load underscore data, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, new line, except file not found, error, colon new line, data equals open bracket, close bracket, new line, else, colon new line, print, open parenthesis, double quote, loaded, double quote, close parenthesis. Try colon new line handle equals open parenthesis, double quote, notes dot text, double quote, close parenthesis, new line, finally, colon new line print, open parenthesis, double quote, cleanup, double quote, close parenthesis. From pathlib, import path. Path equals path open, parenthesis, double quote, notes dot txt, double quote, close parenthesis. Path dot exists, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Path dot write underscore text, open parenthesis, double quote. Quiet notes, backslash n, double quote, close parenthesis. Text equals path.read underscore text, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Lines equals text dot split lines, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. With open parenthesis, double quote notes dot text, double quote comma, double quote r, double quote comma, encoding equals double quote. UTF-8, double quote, close parenthesis, as file colon new line text equals file.read, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. With open parenthesis, double quote notes dot text, double quote, comma, double quote, w, double quote, comma, encoding equals double quote, UTF-8, double quote, close parenthesis, as file colon new line, file dot write, open parenthesis, double quote, first line, backslash n, double quote, close parenthesis. With open parenthesis, double quote, notes dot text, double quote, comma, double quote, a double quote, comma, encoding equals double quote, UTF-8, double quote, close parenthesis, as file colon new line file dot write, open parenthesis, double quote, another line, backslash, double quote, close parenthesis. For line in path dot read underscore text, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, dot split lines, open parenthesis. close parenthesis. Folder equals path, open parenthesis, double quote, journal, double quote, close parenthesis. Folder.mkdir, open parenthesis. Exist underscore OK equals true close parenthesis. Entry equals folder slash double quote today.txt, double quote. Entry.write underscore text, open parenthesis, double quote, T, comma code, comma, sleep, backslash, N, double quote, close parenthesis, for file underscore path in folder.glob, open parenthesis, double quote, star.txt, double quote, close parenthesis, colon new line print, open parenthesis of the file, underscore path.name, close parentheses. Defred underscore notes, open parenthesis, path, close parenthesis, colon new line, try, colon new line, return path, open parenthesis, path, close parenthesis, dot read underscore text, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, new line, except file not found, error, colon new line, return, double quote, def save underscore notes, open parenthesis, path, comma notes, close parenthesis, colon new line, path, open parenthesis, path, close parenthesis, dot write underscore text, open parenthesis, notes, close parenthesis. Def parse underscore count open parenthesis, text, close parenthesis, colon new line, try, colon new line, return in open parenthesis text, close parenthesis new line, except value error, colon new line, return 0. Counts equals open bracket, parse underscore count, open parenthesis text, close parenthesis for text, in raw underscore counts, close bracket. If not, path dot exists, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, colon, new line path dot write underscore text, open parenthesis, double quote, close parenthesis. Size equals path dot stat, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, dot st underscore size. Backup equals path dot with underscore suffix, open parenthesis, double quote, dot back, double quote, close parenthesis. Backup dot write underscore text, open parenthesis, path dot read underscore text, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Try colon new line path dot unlink open parenthesis, close parenthesis, new line, except file not found, error, colon new line pass. Def require underscore name, open parenthesis, name, close parenthesis, colon new line. If not name colon new line, raise value error, open parenthesis, double quote, name is required, double quote, close parenthesis. Try colon new line, require underscore name open, parenthesis, double quote, close parenthesis, new line, except value error as error, colon, new line, print, open parenthesis error, close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis, double quote, errors are part of the path, double quote, close parenthesis. Dream coding dark mode. Sweet dreams, and don't let the code bugs bite.